everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's IELTS 9. In this video I'm going to share with you a very important cue card. It's point of view Makkar IELTS speaking test. I will share with you many cue cards from Makkar IELTS book material. It's around 700 cue cards. So it's very important point of view January to March. You can see speaking part second and third क्यू कार्ड्स एंड फॉलोअप्स मैं सब कुछ इसी वीडियो में शेयर करूंगी. जो भी क्यू कार्ड शेयर करती हूँ उसके एंड में मैं फॉलोअप्स भी शेयर करती हूँ. और जो स्पीकिंग पार्ट फर्स्ट है इंट्रो क्वेश्चंस का वो मैंने वीडियोस अलग से सेपरेट बना रखे हैं. और लाइव जब मैं लाइव आती हूँ तब मैं इंट्रो क्वेश्चंस और जो क्यू कार्ड्स और फॉलोअप्स होते हैं वो दोनों ये सब कुछ आप एक ही लाइव में शेयर करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. तो लेट्स बिगेन विद क्यू कार्ड नंबर 19. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो नहीं देखे जो कि काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्यू कार्ड्स के थे और जिन्होंने एग्जाम दिया उनके कमेंट्स आया कि मैम बहुत बहुत थैंक यू जो कि आपने लोगों ने ये जो रिस्पांस दिया है, थैंक यू सो मच कि सभी जो क्यू कार्ड्स हैं इन्हीं क्यू कार्ड्स की बुक में से आते हैं और बहुत ही बिलीवेबल कंटेंट जो मक्कड़ आइल्स बुक मटीरियल है उनका होता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ये क्यू कार्ड नंबर 19 है. डिस्क्राइब अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन हुज वर्क यू एडमायर. You should say who he, she is, how do you know him, her, what creative things he or she has done and explain why you think he or she is creative. As I earlier say you कि जो भी आप पढ़ते हो क्यू कार्ड जो भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करती हूँ, so don't try to learn line to line, don't mimicrise all the lines, just observe language and observe the grammar. So let's begin. I think every person has some creative ability in him or her. Some people show creativity in the kitchen, some in their kitchen garden. Some people show their creativity. So sorry for background noise. Creativity in decorating their house. Some people are creative in the drawings and paintings they do, and some show creativity in the way they dress up. So here I would like to talk about a creative person who is my best friend Saloni's mother. Her name is Ramanpreet and she is in her early 50s. She is always making something out of waste, things that we throw away. Whenever I go to her house, she is always making something or the other. Saloni tells me that she never sits idle. She always has a project in her hand. She has made many things out of waste paper. Okay, I have seen beautiful decoration pieces made of 3D origami which her mother had made and they look spectacular. I go to my friend's house very often and every time I see something new. Last time I went, she was making tote bags out of the old clothes. The tote bags she was making looked up superb and was very sturdy. Her mother told me once that the making tote bags out of old clothes is the fact of upcycling of clothes and not recycling of old clothes, but the tote bags are used almost every day. She has gifted many tote bags to her relatives and friends and everyone who uses them every single day. Now that single-use plastics have been banned, everyone should get a tote bags while going to the market. I have also learned many things from Saloni's mother. I used to admire Saloni for her creativity, but I realized that all the creativity has come from her mother. I think Saloni's mother is very creative because she can put just anything at home to use. She has made flower pots from all used bottles and oil cans. Her whole house is decorated with beautiful things and none of these have been bought from the market. All these things are the result of her mother's creativity. So I hope कि आप लोगों को ये क्यू कार्ड समझ आया होगा. लेट्स इसके हम फॉलोअप्स भी पढ़ लेते हैं बिकॉज फॉलोअप्स में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट लिख कर जाते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं और उतने ही ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन वाले जो फॉलोअप्स है. क्यू कार्ड जो है हम इजीली प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं बट समटाइम फॉलोअप्स में हमें बहुत दिक्कत आती है. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद फर्स्ट फॉलोअप क्वेश्चन. Do you think you are a creative person? Yes, I am a creative person, but all my creativity is for myself only. Every day I creatively mix and match my old dresses and make them look new. I also like to make pencil sketches out of my imagination and create different characters. Is it good for children to learn arts? Yes, it is very good for children to learn arts. Arts bring out their creativity and breaks the monotony of tough academic studies. Arts also keep children in touch with their culture and tradition. What kind of job require people to be creative? I think all jobs require people to be creative. If people are not creative, then their jobs may become dull and boring after just a few days. If any job has to be done over again, then some element of creativity has to be added to it. For example, an engineer needs to think of new ways to do things. The plumber needs to learn new things every day to make his work better and simpler. A carpenter needs to learn new ways of doing things that can add grace to his work. A teacher has to bring up innovative methods to teach so that children don't get bored. Do you think leaders need to have creative ability? Yes, I think. Do you think leaders need to have creative ability? Yes, I think leaders need to have creative ability. If they are not creative, people people should stop following them, as they would appear boring to them. But if they add creativity to their work, to their talk, to the way they do things, then they will keep watching my videos. Stay tuned with me for watching next cue cards and also writing tasks to kick essay questions. Thank you so much.